They were sure enjoying today's weather in Boulder.
Yeah, and they'll enjoy it again tomorrow. A special treat for Mother's Day. All right, let's take a look at the temperature outside. The day's high has been 62, and that's what it is right now. Relative humidity 32%. Winds at the current time out of the southeast at 12, pressure 30.18 and falling, and skies are mostly sunny. Check on radar. Nothing there but our ground targets around Lyman. Now for the satellite picture, we've got clouds in the east and we've got some out in the west. As for the reason there are clouds, first of all, there's a cold front up here bringing these clouds into the Pacific Northwest. Very characteristic of a low-pressure system centered here and a cold front with some prefrontal cloudiness ahead of the front through here. The round-shaped pattern because of the counterclockwise flow around the air, swirling the clouds around something like that. Jet stream winds are pretty good for us today. We've got them blowing around up in the upper levels at a trough-shaped pattern right through here. The trough forms a low-pressure system. The center of the low now in western Iowa. This trough is what was over Colorado, and that was the reason we had the snows in the mountains, rains on the plains. But we've also got a ridge building into our area now. A ridge is a high-pressure area. You can see the ridge-shaped pattern here. And high pressure is very good for us. It's nice to be in the south side of the jet stream finally. On the surface, we also have high pressure in western Colorado, meaning sunshine for the southwest. Some rain along this cold front up here in Washington and Oregon, 3/4 of an inch in Crescent City, California, too, right up about there, and rain across western Montana into Idaho. Here's the big low-pressure system, warm front, thunderstorms from the Great Lakes down through the Ohio Valley and Mississippi Valley region. Winds also along this low-pressure system, flooding the problem actually from Vermont down through the Ohio Valley region, and counterclockwise flow bringing cool air down here. Temperatures 30 degrees cooler in parts of Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, and Missouri today, and 20 degrees below what is normal for the date. Sunshine down here in the southeastern part of the country, but for us a lot of high pressure and a lot of sunshine. Let's take a look at the national radar. We're going to find that most of the precipitation is around this storm up here. Look at light areas from green to yellow and red, which are heavier areas. The yellows and reds are showing up here around Michigan, mostly in this area, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, down through Arkansas even, and lighter showers. These green areas, you can see light there in Montana and out in Oregon. That was the radar. Here's what we're forecasting for temperatures today. A little bit cool in Buffalo, New York at 48 degrees. Still 60s. That's a little bit cool in some places of the north, but look at all the 80s from Las Vegas, Albuquerque, Dallas-Fort Worth, Memphis, New Orleans, and Miami Beach. Temperature last night, 38 degrees in Denver. The record low is 23. 62 was today's high, and the record high is 87. Normal is 68 for a high, 41 for a low, and there's sunrise and sunset. Check these temperatures now around the state. This is what we're forecasting. Mostly 50s in the north up here, 60s elsewhere with a 71 forecast for Pueblo, and it has already reached 70 degrees today in Grand Junction. That is the forecast high. Western Colorado, 30 to 44 tonight. Tomorrow looks like 60s and 70s for the most part with partly cloudy skies. Springtime does return to the Rockies with 25 to 35 tonight. 55 to 65 degrees tomorrow, and they're looking for partly cloudy skies there. No snow, no rain. For eastern Colorado, 35 to 44 tonight, and then 65 to 83 tomorrow. Look for those low 80s down here in the southeastern plains. With that, sunshine all over the east tomorrow. For Denver, tonight clear skies. We'll be getting down to about 38 degrees again tonight. Tomorrow we'll look for a lot of sunshine, a warmer day even. We had 62 today. We'll look for 72 tomorrow and 65 on Monday with an increase in the clouds. Tuesday, we could return to afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, but Wednesday we should clear off again. So at least Mother's Day looks prime.
Not bad. Good work.
That's not all me.
Thanks, Steve. Sports is next on News Center 4. And